Diwali Diary 2020. Don't use hand sanitizer while firing crackers. It may cause fire. Coco Kidz wishes you all Happy Diwali. Diwali is the most widely celebrated festival in India. This is the festival of light. It is celebrated in the Hindu lunar-solar month of Kartika. Diwali lasts after 5 days of celebrations. Dhanteras, Naraka Chaturdasi or Choti Diwali, Lakshmi Puja or Kali Puja, Govardhan Puja and Bhai Dooj. Diwali symbolizes victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Historical significance. Diwali, a day of celebration. When Lord Rama returned to his kingdom Ayodhya after defeating the demon king Ravana, pre-Diwali preparation. People clean up their houses, renovate their houses and decorate their houses before the main celebration starts. Rituals. People worship the goddess Mahalakshmi on the main day of Diwali. Let's begin the celebrations part. Wish you all Happy Diwali. Decorations with diya, making of rangoli, firing crackers. Decoration with lights make home more beautiful before the main occasion starts. This is the rangoli design which make our home more beautiful. Firing of crackers is one of the main attractions of Diwali. Children enjoy a lot during Diwali. Lighting of home makes our home more beautiful. Ethnic wear, sweets, variety of food and puja makes the main occasion complete. This is Mahalakshmi. We worship Mahalakshmi during Diwali and the speciality of Diwali 2020. During the pandemic situation, COVID-19, using mask and sanitizer during Diwali shopping is mandatory. Keep social distancing in the marketplace. Avoid social gathering. These are the restriction of this year Diwali. The other specialties of Diwali 2020. Because of this pandemic and to get connected with the people, online wishes are becoming more popular. People wishing each other virtually. Bhai Dooj is also celebrated during Diwali and which is a very important ritual. This is the bond between brothers and sisters, but this year because of pandemic situation, this ritual will also be performed virtually by some people. The main day of Diwali is celebrated as the official holiday of the countries India, Nepal, Singapore and Malaysia, and it is also celebrated in different countries like in Myanmar, Fiji, Tobacco. White House is also decorated in Diwali. Please like, share and comment in my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.